A level of child account access is required to manage PPC on Amazon. To manage ads, it's required edit access, at least. That allows you to go into an account and make changes. If you have view access, you can see within the ad console. If you have admin access, like full access, you can have access into different levels of besides the ad console, so in Amazon Seller Central too. When it comes down to managing a PPC, managing a brand from the PPC point of view, only view access would suffice. Now, important caveat, because someone might be watching this and Noemi, why did you say that edit access is okay and you are asking me super user access? The reason why we do that is because we're not only managing ads, we're managing coupons, we're managing deals, we're managing lots of things that it comes down to not strictly only Amazon bid optimization or ad console optimization. So if that is the role that you're looking for, you should be having more than edit access.